welcome to a new video. Finally get to test out the GoPro 7 Black boosting around in my R33. Sorry there's been a delay in uploads. It's been so hot. It's been like 40 something degrees nearly every day, and I don't want to boost my car in that weather and blow the motor. So I thought I'd take out the GoPro 7 last night. The weather was kind of cool. It took me so many runs. I was there at Bob's farm for at least, 4 hours up and down, trying different settings with this GoPro 7. So there's going to be a lot of trial and error with this camera. And especially where I was setting it up with the mouthpiece, like I was filming too low, too high. So I just had to keep going back and forth till I got it right. So eventually I found the sweet spot, I hope. So yeah, I'm going to try different settings. Like this camera can also do 4K, but I'm not going to do 4K videos every time. I'll do some short clips with the 4K footage, like some drive clips of Josh's R32 GTR, my car, whatever else. So right now I've currently got it in 1080p 60 frames per second. And I noticed that I can film in 4K 60 frames per second and then export the file into 1080p 60 frames per second, and it'll look pretty sick still. So yeah, those are the things I gotta work on with this camera. And I got a new computer, so I'll show you guys my new computer. So this is my new computer. It can handle 4K. It's pretty sick. Got it for a good price. Couldn't say no to it. Got this camera for a good price. Couldn't say no to it. I spent so much this year, man. Like I've bought my S14. So that's another thing. I've been taking time trying to figure out how to get it back to mine, because some tow truck companies like, no, we're not going to trailer that back to yours. So I've been working heaps because I've got a lot of stuff to get for the S14. And with the R33, I got to get new wheels. I got to get my knuckles cut and shut as well. So I got to do that as well, so I get some more steering angle. It just sucks that my car is still damaged. Like I still got to take my other panel and get it resprayed. So I got to find time to take my car in to do that. And I really don't want to lose my car for a few days, because this is my Nismo two-way diff. So what you guys are seeing, like I definitely want to put that in my car as soon as possible. So hopefully next week I can put that in my car. And I also want to get new bucket seats. So I'm trying to look at, like on Just Jap, they've got like these two real bride bucket seats. Like I'm looking at getting either fixed back or reclinables. I'm not sure yet which one I want to pick out of the two. And that's the thing with the S14 as well. I have to get bucket seats for that too. So I'm going to be paying for two cars. Then I'm going to get a third car now. So that third car can be used to tow my S14 to the track days. Anyway, we'll save all that information for another video. Right now I'll show you guys my boosting clips. I hope you guys enjoy these pod views of me testing out the GoPro 7 while boosting around. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoy me hitting boost in my car, and don't worry, when I get the Nismo diff installed, we can finally start doing drift videos. If you like this video, give it a like. If you haven't subscribed, hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Catch you guys later.